All right, we're going to show you how easy it is to acquire your customers' interval data using the SolarFax Share My Data feature with PG&E. So when you log into your dashboard, you're going to see a button that says Connect New User, and we're going to create a new user. If they're already in the system, then you would select them, and we're just going to add Mr. John Smith, and we're going to click Connect Now, Add User. I didn't add an email address or an address, which you can do if you're in a hurry. Um, and then we go choose the utility. We're going to choose PG&E. Click Connect User. It's going to take us to the Share My Data guest access page. We're going to put in the account number, the phone number, hit sign in. If the account number and phone number don't match, the PG&E system will let you know immediately. We can see the account that we're going to connect. We get the address. If there's a gas meter, we'll see that as well. We're going to choose indefinite access, which means we will receive data until either you turn it off or the customer turns it off, meaning it gets updated daily. We put in an email. They will send the customer an email to whatever email address they have on file. It's a courtesy message to let the customer know that they're now sharing their data with Solar Data Pros, but they don't need to do anything. But you put your email address in there so you can see what they see. We hit submit. That completes the connection. It will bring you back to the dashboard, and this is where the data will start populating immediately. So we give this a couple of minutes. And now we start receiving the data. So the data is not real time. There's a 48-hour lag. So today is the 5th of April. This is the data from the 3rd of April. And we can see that this property has solar. There's the energy that's getting imported from the grid every hour. And then sun comes up. We're exporting every hour. And we can see the data. This is a month by the day. And we can also see the data over the course of a year. We don't yet have all 12 months. It takes a few minutes to populate, but we have data all the way back to December. And then within a couple minutes, we'll have a full year. So now we have 12 months of data. If we want to see the bills, we click on the bills button. Now, these aren't the actual PDFs of the bills. What we create is what I call a bill facsimile. And what it gives you is a lot of the information that you would find on the bill. So these are our bill facsimiles for the past 13 months. We can see what the monthly bill total was in each of the months. We can see when the true up occurred because that's the month with a larger, this is an M2 customer. We can see the actual kilowatt hours of consumption. We can see the meter number. We can see a lot of the information that appears on the bill, the line items, and so forth. We can access our reports. So we can access our energy audit report. And this is a great first step when you're trying to understand a customer's energy consumption. This breaks it down by the season, by the time of day, by the time of the year, and helps you really understand how the customer is consuming energy and what the right solution is to help them achieve their goals for energy savings, energy resilience, or energy independence. And we can walk through this with the customer. We can see their energy consumption, imports and exports to and from the grid by the month. We can see an entire year by the day, see how much energy is getting exported to PG&E. And then we can even see a summary of a month by the hour, a typical day during the season. This is a typical summer day. So if this customer was considering adding batteries, we could see what that might look like, how much energy we have available for charging, and then we can look at all the other seasons as well. And then this report can be printed. You can either turn it into a PDF. You can send a link to the customer so that they can view it. And it's a great starting point for the conversation with your customer.